Question number 9. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y is equal to x mod. Given parabola y is equal to x raised to power 2 and y is equal to x mod. So x mod can be write x mod is equal to positive x when x is greater than equal to 0, negative x when x is less than equal to 0. First equal to second, y is equal to positive x. X square is equal to x. And shifting left side, x square minus x is equal to 0. Which implies x is common, x minus 1 in bracket equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus 1, positive 1. And limit lies between 0 to 1. Y is equal to positive x put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. And we are putting x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. X, y, 0, 0, 1, 1. When y is equal to negative x, y is equal to negative x, where x is greater than equal to 0, x is less than equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. And when x is equal to minus 1, minus minus, then y will be positive 1. And x, y, x0, y0, x minus 1, y plus 1. And we draw a parabola 1 minus 1, 1. It's x, x dash, y and y dash. it's a is -1 and 1, -1 1, x minus 1 y1, and point B 1 1. Y is equal to x when x is greater than equal to 0. Y is equal to minus x when x is less than equal to 0. And y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Required area is equal to first quadrant 1 2 2 times of integration of 0 to 1, limit lies between 0 to 1, and y that is equal to x dx minus integration of 0 to 1 y equal to x square dx is equal to 2 times of integration of x dx is x square upon 2, and limit is 0 to 1 minus integration 0 to 1 x square, that is x raised to power 3 upon 3, and limit lies between 0 to 1, that is equal to 2 into upper limit is 1, 1 square is 1 upon 2 minus 0 minus 1 cube is 1 upon 3 minus 0. First upper limit minus then lower limit, that is equal to 2 times of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which implies 2 into cross multiplying 3 minus 2 upon 3 2s are 6. Required area is equal to 2 into 1 upon 6, 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 square units. Answer. Given parabola y is equal to x square, its equation first, and y equal to x mod is second equation, and modulus of x can be write is equal to x when x is greater than equal to 0, and negative x when x is less than equal to 0, and B draw a parabola, and we are finding the points y equal to x square and y is equal to x. First equal to second, x square is equal to x, and x is shifting left side, that will be negative, and taking common x in bracket x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is directly equal to 0, and x minus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to positive 1, and we are finding the limit, that is 0 to 1. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. It's 0 0 point, and we draw a parabola. When y is equal to x, positive x, x is greater than equal to 0, then point will be 1 1, x1 y1, and when x is negative, when y is equal to minus x, x is less than equal to 0, then point A is equal to -1 and 1, y is 1 and x is -1. We are finding the points here, and y is equal to x, x is greater than equal to 0. We are putting x is equal to 0 here, then y will be 0, and when x is equal to 1 putting here, then y will be 1. And first x, y 0 0 and 1 1, and in second when y is equal to negative x or x is less than equal to 0, then we are putting x equal to 0 in here, y will be 0, and x equal to -1 putting here, then y will be +1. And points are x, y 0 0, -1 1, minus x is -1 and y is 1. So required area is equal to first and second 2 times of integration 0 to 1 x dx minus integration 0 to 1 x square dx, 2 into integration of x is equal to x square upon 2, limit lies 0 to 1, minus integration of x square, that is x cube upon 3, limit lies 0 to 1, and we are putting upper limit, that is 1 square upon 2, 1 upon 2, and then lower limit 0, that will be 0, minus upper limit 1 cube upon 3, that is 1 upon 3 minus 0, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, 3 1s are 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1, 1 upon 6, and it's 2 times of area 1 upon 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so we get the required area is equal to 1 upon 3 square units. Answer. Thank you so much.